So I've been using these raised garden beds for a couple of years now, and they've seriously held up so much better than I expected. I got the 2-pack thinking I'd just test them out on a small veggie patch, but I ended up expanding the setup with more because they were so solid. Assembly was pretty straightforward, but definitely easier with a power drill. Once they were in the ground and filled up, they've held up really well despite heavy winds and rain. There's been no warping, no rust, and the metal still looks clean after several seasons of full sun, rain, and snow. These are perfect if you want really manageable garden beds that aren't too overwhelming and still give you a solid growing space. I've grown lettuce, peppers, herbs, cucumbers, carrots, you name it, and the depth is plenty good for root development. The drainage on these has also been really solid. I started out by adding some cardboard underneath them and then covered that with weed cloth before installing the bed units. If you're looking for a garden bed that's really affordable, low maintenance, and actually lasts, these are a great pick. I would absolutely recommend these to anyone. As always, you can find an affiliate link in the description below if you want to check this product out yourself.